Hello everyone, this is Vaishnavi Gupta. Hoping you're happy and healthy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are again talking about commerce. As I am a 12th grader, I chose commerce with maths as my stream after I cleared my class 10. And I'm assuming and hoping that you also did the same, because why would you click on a video like myths about commerce if you haven't, right? And even if you haven't opted for commerce, I think this is the right video, because today we are going to discuss, are the myths true or false which are related to commerce, the stereotypes and everything. It will clear a lot of doubts and it will be fun to watch, because you'll realize how common this is. कि अचानक से this is a stereotype in our mind that we start questioning that our life depends on it, or like, are we compatible with the stream or not. So we are going to talk about all of it in this video. Let's begin. Let's talk about the first myth, which is commerce is all about maths. Alright. Listen, I've heard a lot, I don't know, from PCM students, or I don't know what. I'm not comparing streams with anything, but personally I've heard this often that yeah bro, फिजिक्स करेगी ना पूरी कॉमर्स नहीं होगी, कॉमर्स में तो बस प्लस माइनस ही तो होता है, इतना भी क्या है एंड समथिंग. गर्ल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉमर्स इज़ नॉट अबाउट जस्ट प्लस माइनस. इट डज रिक्वायर बेसिक मैथ्स. आपकी स्ट्रॉन्ग होना ज़रूरी है. परसेंटेज कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, द डेसिमल वाली कैलकुलेशन, द फास्ट कैलकुलेशन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एक्यूरेसी के साथ करना इज़ अ ट्रिकी पार्ट, जो कि बेसिकली एटलीस्ट मेरी तो काफ़ी कमज़ोर है बेसिक मैथ्स से. फील लाइक बिकॉज आई डू नॉट डू दैट लाइक very fast. I'm accurate, but I'm not fast at math, this basic math kind of thing, right? But if you have opted for commerce with maths, just like me, if you have opted for core maths, then you know the integration, differentiation, it's not even in their commerce, right? So it's a whole different math. If you have applied for applied maths, then it's a different thing. I don't know about that, but if you have opted for core maths, then you know it's a whole different thing, and it's nothing related to commerce. So commerce is not about all maths. Even if your maths is weak, it doesn't matter. तुम्हारी basic maths strong होनी चाहिए, because that is the only thing required in accountancy or in economics. Business studies is pure like theory. English is also theory, and economics में भी काफ़ी theory आती है. So it's basically not just maths. I remember when I was making videos for class 11th and commerce, when I was clearing all your doubts and keeping on getting like DMs or YouTube comments, clearing all your doubts and replies and making videos out of it. The most asked question was this: I am weak in maths, should I opt for commerce? Like a lot, it's not the maths that you fear or you're bad at. It is something that you can be good at, because it's the kind of maths that we studied in 6th, 8th and 3rd. वो वाली maths है, you just need it to be fast. ऐसी वाली maths नहीं है जिससे you fear, right? So first myth is absolutely false that commerce is all about maths. Now before moving on to the second one, I would like to tell you about the PWK batches, because there is a Guru Purnima sale going on. Happy Guru Purnima to all who celebrates. And physics wale ki sale is live once again. You know the batches Parishram and Parishram Pro and Uday Pro.
The normal batches provides live and recorded classes, DPPs and 24/7 doubt support. Whereas the pro batches, जो कि UP board and Bihar board वाले students के लिए भी है, it gives access to the mentorship with PW faculty members and hard copy for all the subjects with upcoming batches का access. Also look at this commerce वाले के students का amazing CUT score.
Despite the sale that is live right now, you can use my coupon code to get some extra discount. The link is in the description box. Talking about the second myth, that is commerce is for average student. आई डोंट नो इफ़ यू, अगर तुमसे किसी ने कहा है नहीं, बट आई बेट तुमने किसी और को कहते हुए तो ज़रूर ये सुना होगा दैट कॉमर्स इज़ फॉर एवरेज स्टूडेंट्स, और लाइक साइंस नहीं हुई इसलिए कॉमर्स ले रहा है. जिन्हें साइंस नहीं मिलती वो कॉमर्स लेते हैं. तुम्हारी तो परसेंटेज अच्छी थी, तुमने कॉमर्स क्यों ली? तेरी परसेंटेज थोड़ी एवरेज है, सो यू शुड ऑप्ट फॉर कॉमर्स एंड नॉट गो फॉर साइंस और समथिंग लाइक दैट. मतलब कट टू टुडे वे टॉपर्स आर ऑप्टिंग फॉर कॉमर्स. Toppers are acing in commerce, they are going for finance or anything, they are doing some highly qualified course like CA, CFA, CMA, like these are top courses in India or even in foreign, because you can go outside and pursue foreign courses outside like in finance, banking or anything. It's because this is not what you get. This is something, even if you are not extraordinary, your knowledge can make you one. It's the knowledge that you gain in the process after you opt for commerce and continue doing things in the commerce stream. Even if you're an ordinary person, your knowledge makes you extraordinary. And no, commerce is not restricted to the average students. People who are not very good at some subject can also opt for commerce and do well, because these are absolutely new subjects for you. Even if you were a topper, you can still opt for commerce and ace that subjects like you always did in your past. And even if you are an average student, you can do opt for commerce, and I think it will be a great choice. Talking about the myth number 3, that is, commerce is not for me. Commerce is very boring, or I can't do commerce, it's getting difficult, or commerce is very complicated. No, it's not. I know you feel that way because these are new subjects, but trust me, these are not. Commerce is not boring at all. You won't think that you regretted opting for commerce, because I see and I totally understand the feeling of feeling मतलब कि फ्यूचर में यू विल फील गिल्टी फॉर ऑप्टिंग फॉर कॉमर्स, बिकॉज यू डोंट रियलाइज द फैक्ट एट दैट टाइम जब तुम ये ऑप्ट कर रहे होते हो, तुम ऑप्ट कर चुके होते हो, दैट दीज आर न्यू सब्जेक्ट्स, इट विल टेक टाइम. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई वाज इन 11th, आई लिटरली फेल्ट लाइक फॉर एटलीस्ट हाफ ईयरली तक कि वॉट एम आई स्टडिंग, वॉट इज़ दिस, अकाउंट्स मुझसे नहीं हो रही है, इकोनॉमिक्स हैज चेंज अ लॉट, बिजनेस स्टडीज इज प्योर थ्योरी, बट स्टिल मार्क्स नहीं आ रहे somehow. We need to memorize so much, we need to understand business studies so much that you are able to make up answers by yourself and still manage to write in the context of NCERT, keeping your own words, framing the answers absolutely perfectly to get the 3 marks exactly. So I realized it after I opted for commerce, because it was not that difficult before, like in class 10, but in 11th it really did get difficult, and I did felt like that commerce was not for me. I was not made for commerce. The subject is not compatible with me. It did took me a solid while to do that, to adjust myself with this new stream, to literally just fill my whole life with these 5 subjects. Definitely give the subjects time, because these may be new, and even if you find interest in these subjects, अगर तुमसे कोई चीज़ नहीं होगी, then you will easily feel that you're disinterested in this subject and you don't like it. Mostly it's that you don't like the subjects because you're not able to score good, you're not able to understand, you're not able to relate yourself with the subject, and you feel demotivated and you get less marks. So try yourself adjusting with commerce. Don't feel guilty now you have opted for commerce, and it's going to be fun, and these are interesting subjects. Keeping the thing in mind that this is interesting, this is different from other scene, this is what I actually opted for, this is what I really wanted to study. So keep that thing in mind and then study. Myth number 4, limited career option. See, I kept this as the last one despite I could have kept it like the first one, but I know you guys already know that there are no limited career options in commerce. It's diverse. मैं अपनी सेकेंड मिथ में ही बताया कि हाउ यू कैन गो इवन टू फॉरेन टू डू कोर्सेज. MBA इतनी सारी चीज़ों में होते हैं. यू कैन डू लॉ, यू कैन डू ACCA, you can do CFA, CMA and CA, the CS. There are a lot of things that you can do. These are like qualified courses which you can get into. Even if you don't want to do qualified courses, when you study the subjects you realize तुम्हारा किस में interest है, that you are interested in finance, that you are interested in stock, so you can get into it, like really deep into it. You can become a financial analyst. तुम्हें exposure मिलेगा that you'll realize there's a lot of things you can do. It's not just about banking sector में जाना है कुछ भी, और फाइनेंसिंग सेक्टर में जाना, अकाउंटिंग में जाना. नो, यू कैन मिक्स एंड मैच योर वे. यू कैन गो इनटू स्टॉक मार्केट, डू सम स्टॉक थिंग्स, बिकॉज दीज आर ग्लोबली एक्सेप्टेड. कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम की जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं, दीज आर हाईली क्वालिफाइड थिंग्स एंड ग्लोबली एक्सेप्टेड. सो देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ हाई डिग्री पैकेजेस टू इन कॉमर्स. It may seem like it is easy for some other stream people who do work hard right now and then they have their life easy. Well, commerce people do work hard in their early 20s maybe, and then their life gets easy. It may look like that, but then again it depends from perspective to perspective. I really want you to keep your perspective positive, and with that note I would like to end this video. Do check my other videos, link is in the description, or you can check my playlist that I've made for class 11th, my class 12th ki study vlogs and everything, my daily updates, what I'm doing in my life, who am I and everything. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Do comment and tell me how was this video, and do you like it, do you want more of this commerce related videos, and what else do you want, the type of content that you want to see. And yeah, bye bye, I'll see you in the next one.